Hi, this is Tom from the 125 Live TechMates team in Rochester, Minnesota. Our main purpose is to assist 125 Live members with technology. Our YouTube videos and website content can be enjoyed by anyone free of charge. Classes and personal assistance are available free of charge for 125 Live social members. Non-members need a day pass. Call 507-287-1404 to join or to purchase a day pass. Let's take a look at how to install Zoom on a smartphone. I'll be doing this demonstration on an Android smartphone, but the process ought to be pretty much the same on any smartphone or tablet. The only difference is that on an Android phone, I'll be going to the Google Play Store, whereas on an iPhone, you'd go to the Apple application store. On other devices, you'd go to the appropriate store that you download applications on. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the Google folder on my phone. Next, I'll click on the Play Store application to open it up. In the top of the Google Play Store, I'm going to do a search on Zoom. Click on Zoom Free App. You should see something like what I have on the screen here. Zoom Cloud Meetings, zoom.us, that to make sure that you have the Zoom application, not something that's like it. There's a little icon that looks like a camera with the blue surrounding it. And if you have that, then go ahead and click on Install. As the install progresses, you should get some kind of an indicator in the Google Play Store. You have a circle and it keeps on getting darkened as you get further along in the install process. And when it gets around the whole way, you'll be done. And you should get a confirmation at that point. And when the install is done, you will have the opportunity to open the application by clicking on Open. If you don't see that, just go and find your application on the application and open it that way. The first time you open up the application on your smartphone, you'll be presented with a screen that looks like this, and you'll be given an opportunity to join a meeting, sign up, or sign in. If you're new to Zoom, you might want to sign up, create an account and a password. If you are currently have an account, you just might want to sign in. But I'd like to point out that you don't need to have an account and a password in order to join a meeting. That's why the join a meeting is available to you right away, either way, the first time you open this application. Also notice there are 4 dots on the top of the screen, meaning that you can scroll and see more information. And the first page is just telling you can start or join a video meeting on the go, and it's kind of showing a nice little graphic to show you how that would work. Swiping from right to left, you'll see the second screen. See the second dot now is highlighted, and that's just indicating that one of the nice features of Zoom is that the people in the meeting can see what you see. So if you want to share your screen, you can they can see what's on your screen. You can also share files and other things as well. The third screen shows you that you can message your team, send texts, audio messages, files, and images. The fourth screen or panel just kind of encourages you to get Zooming and points out that you can work from anywhere with anyone, any device. Nobody has to travel. All you have to do is be wherever you are, join the meeting. If you create an account and a password and log into Zoom, your application will initially look like this, and you'll have an application options of doing a search. You can create a new meeting, you can join an existing meeting, you can schedule, and you can also do the share screen. And on the bottom, I'd like to point out that if you click on meetings, you'll see your existing meetings that you've created with your account, and contacts, and also the settings are down here. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you still have questions, send us an email with your name, phone number, and a brief description of your question.